Whoa, they're here. Look. They're right above me. Oh my gosh, I've never seen anything like that. Close. I don't know what kind of birds are they. Quite amazing. Wow, here we are. Oh, wow, that's incredible. It's almost scary. Seriously, I've never seen anything like that. Wow. Oh my gosh. Why are they all over that area? Wow, unbelievable. I didn't expect to see that. Well, that's where we are. That's it, where they are. We got here. It's amazing. Alright, will we dare to come even closer? Let's see. I can see them here a little better. Oh my god, oh my god. Okay, it is scary now. Seriously, it is scary now. Oh, hi guys. Alright, yes, I can understand why people are afraid of too many birds. I can definitely understand that. You start to think, okay, what if they're just gonna sit on me and start picking at me? I don't know if they'll do that. Just trying to figure out what kind of birds are they. Alright, let's come closer. Let's dare. Oh my god. Alright, I'm just gonna... I don't know what I'm gonna do. There's really a lot of them. By the way, those are the blooming beach roses that I was talking about. That's where they're sitting. They're sitting on the beach roses. I think they're more afraid of me than I'm afraid of them. They're actually flying away a little further. Oh, watch this. Right above us. Wow. Right above everywhere. I can hear you guys. Oh. Well, that's a treat. Thank you, universe. Wow. Birds everywhere. They're flying right above me. Cloud of them. They have white bellies and the wings are black. I don't know what kind are they. Like swallows, maybe? Swallows usually have bigger tails. These guys have smaller tails. It'd be nice to find out. Yeah, it'd be nice to find out why are they gathering like that? Are they flying away for the winter? It's pretty cool. Actually, you know what? That's really not that scary. They're busy doing their thing. They're not trying to attack anyone. You're just sitting and watching them. Not a big deal. Wow, that was so beautiful. Thank you for sharing with me this amazing experience. Yeah, look at them. They're flying this way again. Yay! Take off.